From last night, you know, for what? From about 9, 8 o'clock last night. And at 10 o'clock in the morning now, and no rain can top fall out. Cho! Man, want to go bathe, you know. I want to dip on, you know. Cho! Hot.
Cold one?
Cold, yeah. Big box. Yeah, big box. Right?
No, I don't have the big box. I want the light tin and the small box.
So what's this? 2.
One and two.
Look at that. Yeah, look, you never go up a little bit more, because I remember me tell you that done for. Eh? So the question I want to get across, all the young youths out there, youths, like fruit age. Yeah. So what do you think the meaning of life is? What do you think life is? What life really is about?
Life really is about right now everything I really jam. So you really can't waste your time because you have to praise God all the time or something. Like Christianity and that kind of something. So that time they say if you spend your life, I'm not say pray every morning and evening, night, noon and 10.
Yeah. That's what you think life is really about?
Really about?
Meaning. Give a definition for you.
Definition?
Yeah.
Alright. Life is how you live.
Life is how you live.
Life is how you carry yourself or something.
Carry yourself. Well, to me I give the definition is that life it is a short span of time that can be ended unexpectedly. What you understand from what I just said a while ago?
Say, life is short and it can be ended anytime, so you must...
For example, if a man is dead, you don't really know the time or the minute or the hour he is dead. You understand? So what I want to get across is that life is a short span of time, so you have to really take your time to enjoy it. So I say because enough time realize say the youths them kinda they not see life a way where you have to enjoy it. They not see it short. If I get the message, it's like they not see it like life you have to live it with positivity.
Okay.
If you don't live positive, you don't get the full living out of life. Yeah, so when you live positive, it's like in anything when you do, you always feel happy about it. No negativity. it just go straight. When me understand, me discover. You see, when you bowl and speak out to people more, it give you confidence, self-confidence. And a self-confidence more want all of the younger youths them to have. Because self-confidence is part of their life. Because I'm not in a life, before me even become on this platform here, YouTube, me never that bold really talk up to people. So it's like, since now, me start do different things. It's like, me don't really care about what people say. Well, sometimes if you care about what people say, because you have to listen to some people sometimes, because some people, you know, say, you have to listen to others. Me not really, like, negativity, you just have the negativity also, and the positivity right also. So you just, like, you take positivity, and just help it, use it to build up yourself more, to grow. And you just take negativity, it's like it go bring you down, like numbers, negative numbers and positive numbers. So you use the positive to kind of build you up like a greater number. And the negativity now, it kind of decrease you to a level. So you take the negativity and dash it away. Tell people, say, and always tell yourself every morning, smile in the mirror and say, yo, I can do it. Because anything is possible. And if me can do it, you can do it as well. You see what I say? So that's what I really want to get across, because some people, they don't really have the self-confidence to really talk about certain things. So they have to really have that self-confidence and know, say, yo, I can do it and I am I. You see what I say? So you can do anything and you have the self-confidence and say, yo, do your passion. Because right now, me find a new passion in myself, say, yo, me can do YouTube, because me find, say, YouTube is like a different level now, me can create. Self-motivation is key. I watch a lot of videos and people motivating about self-motivation, but to me, it's just like the same storyline over and over and over. But to tell you the truth, if you motivate yourself and decide that is what you want to do and continue, and no matter the phases or the struggles that come across during the process, you will always continue. Because you will have downfalls in some part of your life. It just was the process of being a legend, you know. You just to be a star, but the devil knows that you have your potential to do that, so you want to try and stop everything that is trying to come your way. But when you continue and realize nothing can stop you, determined, self-motivation, nothing can come better than that. But Christmas is coming, you know, 2020 soon done. Big up all the people I'm watching right now. Me appreciate, you know. It's not an easy road, but you just have to keep on fight the fight, because it takes a process. It's not a rushing thing, you know. Because end of the day, we are all champions and all. We are all successful, you know. So follow your dream. Okay, no matter what the situation is, no matter how difficult it looks, anything is possible. There is always an easy way in life to do something. Remember, me tell you, because doing this, who to tell that I would have this many people watching me right now? When I started off strong. I started sending off links to everybody, and people tell me all kind of things. To tell you the truth. People tell me I'm not even gonna say it right now, because it really make no sense to me. All you know, see people hating on you, you love them same way, because the Bible says love your enemies, because we are all human beings. All the racist thing, we are all human beings. We are all just different. No hate people because of one simple something. Just follow your dreams and become the person that you want to become. But you know, positiveness and positive things we do over here. Isn't me? Subscribe and subscribe to this channel. look, this red button right here, this red button, you click this button, and when you click this button, you click this bell right here, and right where it says all, you click the all bell and subscribe, because I realize that most people don't know how to do it. Come to this channel as well, King Kamau TV. It's my channel, King Kamau TV. It's a new channel. I post little videos here now and then, but it's all gonna get better soon. But subscribe to King Kamau TV, please and thank you. Subscribe to King Kamau TV, please and thank you. Subscribe. Okay. Have a great day.